Okay, today's home improvement is Frigidaire water dispenser. So the little bump pad has broke. I've already taken it apart and looked at it to see what I needed, and this piece here snapped off. So I will be putting a new one in. Unfortunately, this color doesn't match with the gray, but it's all right. As long as it works, that's all I care. So I'll show you how to take it off. Yeah, stay tuned. All right, first you want to disconnect your power. Then you want to come over here and you take this plate off here. Easier said than done, right? Like this, pop that off. It will reveal 3 screws. I've already taken this one out, so we'll take these off. Just give me 1 second. I'm gonna use my trusty Rigid, not sponsored. Take these bad boys out. You want to do this real gently now. Boom, like that. Screws out. Put them to the side. Then you're gonna take this. You want to take a flathead screwdriver and you just want to pry until you can pop this off. I already had mine loose because I cheated. Boom. This is what it looks like. This here, you're just going to disconnect this like that. Pop that off. Set this to the side. Okay. Now, let me show you what I'm working with here. Let me get you closer. Alright. Now, what you want to do, you're going to have 3 screws. One here, which I've already taken out, and one here. So let me remove those. All right. There's my 3 screws. Now what you're gonna do, inside here, you'll see the water line. I don't know if you can see that little water line here. You're gonna pop that out, and when you do, this whole thing should fall down. So there's your water line. Now, what we're gonna do, let me set this up here. I'll get down for you. All right, what you're gonna do is you're gonna remove this screw here and this screw here. These 2 plates come off, and then that paddle should come right out. So, stay with me. All right, let me remove these screws. Make sure you don't lose these 2. So, you can see the paddle there. It should just pop right out now. So, let's go ahead and try that. So, as you can see, these this little piece here snapped off. So, what this does is the paddle, and so the new paddle here should slide right in like this. Just gotta get rid of that little bump there. Might have to get a little man force here, like that. It sits down in the grooves. You're going to take this little metal bar and you're going to put it in front of it, like so, and there you go. Now once I get the plates on here, that'll click the water button. Pretty nifty, huh? Alright, well let me get these braces back on. Now we've only had this fridge for 3 years. I must drink a lot of water because I don't know how it snapped. Maybe I'm a little rough with it. What's that? Okay, put the plate back on. And this just helps hold the paddle in place. Like so. Hey Rigid, if you're looking to sponsor anybody, I'm a big fan. Alright. Okay, paddles back on, braces are back on. Now, this is the hard part. Okay, the hard part is when you slide this back in, this tube has to go back down in this little hole here. So, bear with me as I struggle through this. See if I can get it first try. Done this once, so we'll see. So you gotta push the tube a little until it fits in the hole. Easier said than done, right? It should push down. Once you got it in the hole, it should push down. Now I just gotta line these holes back up.
Things don't work when you get done.
Yeah, I guess I get water too hard. Pop that back on. Put the screws back in. 3 screws back in. Just slide the plug back on. Boom! Just test it out. Oh, first I gotta plug it back in. Important piece. Plug your fridge back in. Once she's back on. Now, when I look at the black, I know, oh, that's water. When I look at the gray, I know, oh, that's ice. So, here we go.